Can cinnamon really cure cancer? Here's what science finds. What if the answer to one of the deadliest diseases on Earth has been sitting in your kitchen all along? Imagine discovering that something as common as cinnamon, yes, the same spice you sprinkle on your oatmeal, could be a powerful weapon against cancer. While it may sound too good to be true, new scientific research is revealing some shocking truths. Could cinnamon really fight cancer cells, stop tumor growth, and even help your body fight back? Stay with us as we break down what science actually says about this natural remedy. You might never look at cinnamon the same way again. 1. Cinnamon blocks cancer's growth signals like a natural shutoff switch. Cancer cells thrive on survival pathways that help them grow and avoid death. Cinnamon aqueous extract interrupts these by downregulating NF-κB and AP1, two major transcription factors. These normally protect cancer cells, but cinnamon pulls the plug by lowering BCL2, an anti-apoptotic protein. It also blocks the PI3K-ACT-mTOR pathway, a chain reaction inside cells that makes cancer grow. Cinnamon disrupts it. It is a key growth signal in ovarian, breast, and gastric cancers. By blocking it, cinnamon helps put cancer cells in check. Cinnamon even targets MAPK-P38α, a stress signal that helps cancer grow. It acts like a cancer's alarm system. Cinnamon shuts it off. By shutting this down, cinnamon makes it harder for cancer to survive. It's like flipping off the master switch inside a tumor. All of this is backed by a 2023 study published on PubMed by Santino Caserta and colleagues. That's some serious science for such a humble spice. 2. It helps cancer cells self-destruct, literally. Your body has a built-in delete button for sick or damaged cells, called apoptosis. Cancer cells avoid this, but cinnamon steps in and presses that button. It increases pro-death genes like BIM and BAX while shutting down the ones that keep cancer alive. Studies show this in breast, colon, and blood cancers. Cancer cells literally start dying off over time. It's not just random. Cinnamon triggers a clear, time-dependent wave of apoptosis. This means the longer it's present, the more cancer cells bite the dust. Unlike chemo, it does this without hurting healthy cells. Imagine a natural cleanup crew that targets only the bad guys. That's cinnamon in action. 3. It cuts off blood flow to tumors like a stealthy assassin. Tumors need blood to grow, and they build new blood vessels to feed themselves. Cinnamon blocks this process by reducing VEGF, PDGF, and TGF-β, the trio responsible for building those vessels. No blood flow means no food or oxygen for the tumor. It's like cutting off supply lines in a war. Even better, it blocks HIF-1α, a protein that helps tumors survive in low oxygen. So not only does cinnamon stop new blood vessels from forming, it prevents the tumor from adapting. That's a double hit. No wonder researchers are taking cinnamon seriously in anti-angiogenic therapy. It's like nature's way of starving the enemy. Enjoying this? Like the video and subscribe. We're on the road to 100,000 subscribers and we need every one of you to make it happen. 4. It boosts your immune army to fight back harder. Cinnamon doesn't just attack cancer. It arms your immune system like a tactical upgrade. It boosts CD8 plus T cells, the elite soldiers of your body's defense team. These powerful immune cells release granzymes, interferon G, and TNF-α, which hunt down and destroy cancer cells with precision. Even more impressive, cinnamon helps your immune system see through cancer's camouflage by blocking immune evasion tactics that tumors use to hide. It's like giving your immune system night vision, GPS, and upgraded weaponry all at once. In a world where many cancers go undetected until it's too late, cinnamon equips your body to spot, target, and eliminate rogue cells faster. Researchers are amazed. This natural boost mimics what modern immunotherapy drugs try to achieve, but without the high cost or side effects. When nature hands you a secret weapon like this, it's worth using wisely. 5. It cools the inflammation that fuels cancer. Chronic inflammation is like gasoline on a wildfire, and cancer thrives in that chaos. Cinnamon acts like a fire extinguisher, shutting down the key enzymes that stoke the flames, COX-2 and myeloperoxidase, MPO. It also decreases the production of harmful inflammatory chemicals like TNF-A, nitric oxide, and prostaglandins, which fuel the cancer-friendly environment. The result? A cooler, more balanced internal state where cancer has a much harder time growing or spreading. By calming inflammation, cinnamon doesn't just help manage symptoms, it helps interrupt the cancer process at its roots. The same anti-inflammatory properties that make cinnamon helpful for arthritis, heart disease, and diabetes may also make it a silent guardian against cancer. It's like turning down the internal heat before it sparks something bigger. Smart, simple, and powerful. Great for being still here with me, because the next few points get even more fascinating. Cinnamon's not just fighting, it's helping other treatments win too. 6. It blocks cancer enzymes just like chemo, but naturally. Cinnamon isn't just a kitchen spice, it's a quiet enzyme assassin when it comes to cancer. It targets enzymes that cancer cells rely on to grow and divide uncontrollably. One key target is dihydrofolate reductase, DHFR, an enzyme cancer cells use to build DNA. Cinnamon blocks this enzyme much like the chemo drug methotrexate, but without the harsh side effects. It also acts as a proteasome inhibitor, just like bortezomib, which is used in treating blood cancers like multiple myeloma. By disrupting the cell's ability to break down old or faulty proteins, cinnamon leaves cancer cells drowning in their own toxic waste. This breakdown triggers a stress response that leads to cancer cell death. And the best part? Cinnamon does this gently, without the usual chemo fatigue and organ damage. It's like getting therapeutic firepower in the form of a spice you can stir into warm water. 7. It works better with chemo, not against it. Cinnamon isn't trying to replace chemotherapy, it's trying to make it better. When combined with doxorubicin, a widely used chemo drug, cinnamon boosts its anti-leukemic effects while protecting the liver from damage. This is huge because many patients suffer more from chemo's side effects than from the cancer itself. By reducing liver toxicity, cinnamon may help patients stay on treatment longer and recover faster. In acute myeloid leukemia, AML, cinnamon also suppresses NF-κB and GAPDH, two molecules that help cancer cells survive. This makes chemo more effective at lower doses, a win-win for treatment and quality of life. It's like teaming up modern medicine with ancient wisdom. Scientists are excited by this synergy, especially since it suggests safer, more effective combo therapies. If chemo is the sword, cinnamon might just be the shield. 8. It shows targeted results in blood cancers. Cinnamon has a special knack for targeting blood-based cancers. In the lab, it's shown the ability to trigger apoptosis, the self-destruct process, in HL60 cells, which are part of acute promyelocytic leukemia, APL. What's more, the effect increases over time and with dosage, showing a predictable dose-dependent kill rate. It also inhibits PIM1 kinase, a gene that helps cancer cells in acute erythroblastic leukemia stay alive. For lymphoma, the polyphenols in cinnamon slow down cell proliferation by interfering with the cancer cell's ability to multiply. While more in vivo, animal and human studies are still needed, these early results are very promising. What's fascinating is cinnamon's ability to respond differently based on the cancer type, kind of like personalized medicine in spice form. It's not just broadly toxic like some drugs, it's targeted and smart. That's a rare and exciting quality in natural treatments. 9. It reduces DNA damage caused by oxidative stress. Cancer often starts when DNA is damaged by oxidative stress, the same process that causes aging, chronic illness, and cell breakdown. Think of it like internal rust forming on your genetic code. Cinnamon helps stop that process in its tracks thanks to its rich antioxidant content. These compounds mop up harmful free radicals before they can mess with your DNA. By doing this, cinnamon helps prevent mutations that could turn into cancer later. It also helps existing cancer cells grow more slowly, giving your body and treatments more time to fight back. Antioxidants also protect healthy cells during chemotherapy, potentially reducing side effects. So whether you're trying to prevent cancer or support your recovery, cinnamon offers cellular-level protection. It's like giving your DNA a daily shield. 10. It's already being tested for clinical use. Cinnamon is no longer just folklore. It's making its way into clinical studies for real-world medical use. Researchers are now investigating how it can improve the quality of life for cancer patients, especially by reducing fatigue, lowering chronic inflammation, and improving insulin resistance, a known cancer risk factor. These aren't just guesses. They're measured outcomes being tracked in studies. As an adjunct therapy, cinnamon could be paired with traditional treatments to enhance results and reduce discomfort. Think fewer side effects, better energy, and possibly even better response to chemo or radiation. While it's not yet a standalone cure, it's showing great promise as a complementary tool. And because it's natural and widely available, it may be accessible to more people around the world. The future of cancer care could be both high-tech and herbal, and cinnamon might be at the heart of it. So, can cinnamon cure cancer? Probably not on its own, but the science is clear. It fights it on many fronts. From blocking growth signals to activating the immune system and enhancing chemotherapy, cinnamon is a powerful ally. The 2023 study on cinnamon confirms what traditional medicine has long suspected. Cinnamon isn't just tasty, it's therapeutic. But more human trials are needed before it becomes mainstream in cancer treatment. Still, the future is looking spicy, in the best way. If you found this valuable, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. We're aiming for 100,000 subscribers this year, and every single click counts. Join us in spreading science-backed hope to millions. Thanks for watching, and maybe add a little cinnamon to your life today.